Hi there, I'm Tim Lozier. I'm here with Sailin Li from Detechtion Technologies, and we're going to talk about the latest Enalysis release 5.7. Welcome, Sailin.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Tim.
This release has been pretty significant in the sense that it's the culmination of our customer reporting functionality, which we've steadily been building throughout the past few months. And release 5.7 puts a capstone on this. So tell us a little bit more about reporting up until now.
Yeah, that's right, Tim. So earlier this year, we embarked on a project that looked to completely transform reporting on analysis, right? Moving away from a templated and rigid reporting system where we had 30 different individual reports for various single use cases, but really no options for customization, right? And to solve that, on Analysis X, we have now released custom reporting. And through custom reporting, our users can now build exactly the reports they need by selecting from any performance and asset data available for their fleet. Now, this could be building a fleet surveillance report to better understand your fleet performance by pulling a variety of latest performance data, or a fleet hardware report, right, to take inventory of your fleet and better understand what equipment you have available for you. Now, these reports are also saved to your individual user profiles, which means you can reference back at any time and pick up where you left off. And they're also exportable via Excel, right? Which makes it really easy to import and upload to any third-party data system that you guys might be using.
That's great. I mean, and it seems that release 5.7 is creating much more robust library around emissions and visibility into operational data. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Mhm. Yeah, of course, love to. So with custom reporting, our users can now select from a list of date aggregation values, which allow reporting of totals or averages over any specified date range, right? And this makes retrieving things like emission totals for year-end reporting now a breeze, right? Or pulling total fuel gas or electricity consumption to gain better visibility into operating expenses, right? Or it could be to better understand just how your fleet has performed historically, right? By pulling average utilization numbers, average horsepower, average cylinder capacity, right? To identify opportunities to optimize, right? These aggregation values can also be reported next to latest performance values, right? To give you a comparison on how your fleet has performed historically versus how they're doing currently. So the use cases are really endless here, and these are just a few examples of how date aggregated custom reporting can help our clients gain better visibility into their fleet, better context, and use that knowledge to drive operational improvements.
Yeah, I mean, it's really great to see, and I've seen a sneak preview of it, and it sounds really awesome. How can our users get access to this reporting functionality?
Yeah, so to access it from the analysis home screen, simply click on the custom reporting tab on the top of the navigation bar. Right, this will bring up a list of your currently saved assets. You can either click any of these to view them or build a new report by clicking here on the top right corner. And from here, simply select the data you want to see, whether it's latest performance or date aggregated values. If a date aggregated value is selected, you'll have to specify the date range in which you want the aggregation for, and just click generate. And custom reporting is available to all of our analysis users for no additional charge. And it's just another way that we're continuously improving the analysis experience for all our users.
That's awesome. And I really thank you, Salem, for taking the time to talk a little bit about reporting and show us a little bit of what release 5.7 and how these features are going to provide tremendous value for our detection users. In
Of
addition to this
course.
functionality, the 5.7 release has a few other fixes and notes. So how can users access the full release notes?
Yeah, so full release notes are always available on the Analysis website, right? So for Analysis 5.7, they can be found on the Analysis site on the top navigation bar by clicking Help and then Release Notes. And that'll have a full list, like you said, Tim, of other issues, improvements, and bug fixes that we've addressed for 5.7.
Great. That's great. Great information. And thanks again for walking us through this release. Now, if you're interested in learning more about the release or you want to learn more about what you can do with the analysis, you can contact your AAM or you can reach out to us at detection.com. So stay tuned for more updates and tips in the coming months, maybe from Salem, maybe from a few others. So I'm looking forward to interacting with everybody. So thanks again and have a great day.